I'm like speechless right now. I've just won the first ever Red Bull Magnitude big wave event. It was freaking awesome.
The Red Bull Magnitude is the first of its kind, all-female, digital big wave event happening during the course of 3 months in Hawaii. They'll all be vying for a $40,000 prize purse. There's 4 judges, and this is the first time it's happened.
Some women that have been charging so hard for so long and they've just never been in the spotlight. And I think it's great for us to have this event to just encourage each other and to all get a chance to get out there and have fun and show what we can do.
A high surf warning will go into effect all north-facing shores at 6 o'clock tonight. Forecasters predict this to be the biggest surfable swell since the 2016 Eddy.
This was one of the biggest Waimea days I've ever seen. The bay was closing out today. The fact that we're participating in this Red Bull Magnitude contest definitely pushed me to go out. I can't say if I would have gone out or not if I wasn't a part of the contest, but it was definitely a factor in pushing myself into larger surf.
Since I've been growing up, there's been more and more girls that have been coming up. They've been ripping. We have like a good crowd of girls who are just absolutely just surfing really well. So I think it's really exciting. I think this is just the beginning and we're gonna see girls charging more and more.
Women's big wave event is super historical. There's so many more women surfing now, and You know, there's so many young women coming up that want to get to that level, and so to have an event like this is just really going to help the women. So I think it's going to be a very empowering event.
This board is for the winner of the Big Wave Red Bull contest. To sheet boards to Kalai He'enalu. You know, it's a definite privilege to be able to do this and have this opportunity from Red Bull to kind of share some knowledge and understanding of our culture, our people, and what it is we do here in Hawaii, you know, to return that culture, that aloha to what it was always supposed to be.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. She has no idea we're here. She's DJing up at the pool. She's gonna freak out when we go up there, so go KK. Woo!
From 1 to 4, and so I was just doing my, you know, usual job, and then all of a sudden it's like this whole entourage of people carrying checks and surfboards and leis comes just like waltzing down the stairs, and I was just like, what the hell is going on? Like I'm still in shock. Yeah, I just won the first ever Red Bull Magnitude Big Wave event. It was freaking awesome. Awesome. It was such a cool event. We got so many good swells, and yeah, with all that extra support and resources from Red Bull, all the girls were able to step it up, and so it was an amazing event. I hope we do it next year.
I would love to come back every year for Red Bull Magnitude. This has been the best winter of my life.
It's giving everyone a chance to go for it, you know, like go out every large swell, go get all the waves you can get. You don't just have like an hour of hurry up and get all the best waves like a regular contest. You have 3 months, and all the women are having all these really great times and great waves. It's so awesome seeing everyone just really push their limits, I think, because everyone is just really stoked on it. Like we're here, like we're doing it.